In this video I will tell you how to fix Nike Run app not working problem. So please watch the full video. So let's get started. First of all, long press on Nike Run app and now tap on app info option. After that, tap on storage usage option. Once you tap on this, then tap on clear cache and clear data. Now okay. Now the next step is go to Google Play Store or App Store if you are using iOS. Here tap on search option. Now tap on search bar and search for Nike Run. Now okay. Here you will see update button option, so simply tap on update to update this app to the latest version. This will fix not working issue of Nike Run app. So hope this video will help you. Please like and subscribe. Thanks.